let's see who can make a
What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel.
What are we gonna do today?
Snakes.
Snake bubbles. Homemade snake bubbles. So what we have water bottles.
Food coloring.
Yep. What color are you gonna do?
Red.
Red, and then I'm gonna do yellow. And then we have dish soap. And then we have a bowl to mix up the solution. So it's gonna consist of 1 cup of water and then 2 tablespoons of dish soap. First, we're gonna go ahead and mix that up. I already mixed mine up. I got my dish soap and my water in my bowl. So now dump your water in your bowl. Ooh, yeah. Then your dish soap. Ooh. All right, now
Let's mix it up.
Now mix it up like this. So it's really mixed good. So first things first, we're gonna cut our water bottles in half, okay? And make sure you ask a grown-up for help for this part. Or actually the whole part probably. So we're gonna cut it in half.
That's round.
Okay, then it'll look like that. I'll do yours. Ta-da! Next, take a pair of socks. So you're gonna put the sock around the bottle. So take it, yep, just like that. Make sure it's nice
I want help.
and tight. You want help? Okay. So there's that. Okay.
Let's do food coloring.
Now you can either put the food coloring in the bowl or you can put it on your sock. I'm putting mine in the bowl. What are you gonna do? Are you gonna put it on the sock or in the bowl?
I want to dump it in the bowl.
Did you just use that whole bottle? That's gonna be really dark. Alright. Now mix it up. Oh, nice and red and creepy for Halloween. So we mix it up. Now, take your bottle. Take your bottle and your sock. Dip it in. This. And blow. Ooh, that's cool. Wow. Let's see who can make a book. Let me get you a drink. Make sure you blow out and not suck in, because if you do not, then this is what's gonna happen. Okay, let's see who can make the longer bubble. 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh no!
Blow out like this. Woo!
I want you to do red.
Okay. Whoa!
Whoa! I got my sock.
Yeah. That was a big bubble. Look, big bubble.
What happens when you take the sock off, okay?
Okay, go ahead. It doesn't work without a sock.
I want to blow mine.
Whoa, look at that.
snake at?
All over.
What's a snake bubble?
So make sure you ask for help when you do this because it can get a little bit messy, but it's okay, it's fun. And make sure you blow out and not in because if you blow out or in, you're gonna get a big mouthful of bubbles like Rosie did. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Ooh. Ooh.